Martin, happy birthday! Kumusta ka na?
Hi Martin, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Hi Tito Martin, happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and everything you love.
Hello, Tito Martin. Happy birthday to you. God bless. More birthdays to come and stay healthy.
Hello Martin, it's your day. Happy birthday. Always take care, praying for your good health and more blessings to come. Wishing to meet you here again in Philippines. Thank you for being so nice to our family. Always remember you have also family here and take care always. God bless you.
Hello, Nina Martin. Happy birthday. My wish for you is good health and always take care of yourself and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Martin!
Happy birthday, Tito Martin.
Happy birthday, Ninong Martin. I wish you good health and long life.
Wish you happiness with your family, Tito.
More birthdays to come. God bless. Happy birthday.
Okay, I wish that all your dreams will come true.
Happy birthday!
Hi Kuya Martin, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. God bless you Kuya. More birthdays to come and good health.
Happy birthday, Ninong Martin. I wish for more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tito Pogi. I miss you. Take care always. I love you. Happy birthday, Joya. Happy birthday, Joya.
Happy birthday, Martin! Sana isapiting ka ng maraming birthday.